Brienne Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is cause numbers 26 DCCR, excuse me, 0531. Ms. Williams entered a plea of guilty in that case to a new offense of possession of a controlled substance, a third-degree felony. And then we've got cause number 1830512. Ms. Williams is on probation for injury to a child, and that's a third-degree felony offense. Entered pleas of true. Let's see, I see where. While I look at that, but there was an agreement, it appears, for a 3-year deferred probation, $500 fine, and ISF substance abuse track on the new case, with continuing probation and ordering substance abuse, ISF substance abuse on that one. I've received the pre-sentence report and gone over it. Have y'all both had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Jeff. Let me go back and look at something.
He had already been. Right, because the new case, the new offense was from 2024, did not get indicted until this year. So I think that played a part.
Okay.
In it.
But it was, okay. But it still was after she was on probation.
Yes,
but it didn't get indicted for
and
a long
I
time.
believe when it originally occurred, that was addressed at a previous MTRP hearing, but it did not get indicted till 2 years later.
Okay. All right. Anything else then?
No, Your Honor. No.
All right, Ms. Williams, with that explanation, I'm going to follow the agreements that you made with the district attorney's office. And cause number 26 DCCR 0531, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow that agreement, and in that case, defer all proceedings and place you on probation for 3 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, which includes entering and successfully completing the substance abuse track of the of ISF. And then in cause number 18-30512, I'm going to find that you enter those pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation in that case. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to follow the agreement, continue you on probation, order as a condition of that probation that you enter and successfully complete the ISF substance abuse track as well. You're being given now all the opportunities that you're probably going to be given. So you're going to go to ISF. You'll get the tools you need in order to remain sober. When you get out, you'll have aftercare. You still have no felony convictions. You still got some great opportunities here to kind of get your life back on track, get off drugs, and just live a normal life. If you don't do that and you don't take advantage of this and you continue to test positive and do the things that you did on this one, you're going to end up back in here, and you could go to prison in each of these cases for up to 10 years. So you understand?
Yes,
all right, I'm handing you the trial court certifications in each of those cases that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you waived your right to appeal. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
That's the Jerry Johnson.
Carl Farrow. Ms. Collins?
I should put something right. You're going.
Okay.
Good.
Good morning. Are you Carl Farrow?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 26 DCCR 0100. Mr. Farrow is charged with the state jail felony offense of unlawful possession of certain copper or brass material from October 30th of 2025. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, if we can get a little bit more time. I've met with Mr. Farrow. This case involves whether he had authorization to possess these copper materials. And he's relayed to me that he does have documentation that had given him the authorization. And so if we could have some time so that he could get that to me.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to do a normal reset, Mr. Farah. Make sure whatever information you have, you get that, or your family or someone gets that to Ms. Holmes as quickly as possible so that she can then visit with Mr. Smith about it, and then be back out to visit with you before that court date.
Thank you.
All right. You can go back with the bailiff. Donnie Smith.
Donnie Smith.
What?
We have bond reduction.
This isn't how we communicate. What am I supposed to? It's for me because it's a law enforcement. I now have to say out loud, and make